सूरत कुमार योगी राम सूरत कुमार योगी राम सूरत कुमार जय गुरु राया
योगी राम सूरत कुमार योगी राम सूरत कुमार योगी राम सूरत कुमार जय गुरु राया
जय भगवान योगी राम सूरत कुमार गुरु मगराज योगी राम सूरत कुमार
जय भगवान योगी राम सूरत कुमार गुरु मगराज योगी राम सूरत कुमार
योगी राम सूरत कुमार योगी राम सूरत कुमार योगी राम सूरत कुमार जय गुरु राया
योगी राम सूरत कुमार योगी राम सूरत कुमार योगी राम सूरत कुमार जय गुरु राया.
By the grace and blessings of Paramount Yogi Ram Surat, I am going to interview with Yogi
Yogeshwari.
Yogeshwari. She is the daughter of Sobhana
Lakshmi Ramana.
Lakshmi Ramana, the granddaughter of Balasubramaniam and Rukmani Devi. She is very alert. She always chanted Bhagavan's name. She came to Kanimadam and Tiruvannamalai several times. She experienced a lot. She is going to tell her experience. Your name?
Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar Jai Guru Raya. I am Yogeshwari and I am currently living in Madurai with my grandparents. I am a student of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science studying at Kumaraguru College of Technology, and I am currently doing my second year.
Who named you as Yogeshwari?
Yes, I am feeling very much elated and very gracious for having my grandparents and my parents named me as Yogeshwari. My grandparents suggested so many other names like Ramasurada and various other names as well. But finally my grandmother told my mother that name your daughter as Yogeshwari and she will be blessed and become successful in her life without any obstacles and hurdles. And now I am feeling very blessed for coming to know my name as Yogeshwari, and that is Bhagavan's name, and Bhagavan is always with me wherever I go and in whatever step I take in my life. He is with me and without any obstacles and hurdles he is taking forward in my life always.
Did you went to Tiruvannamalai or Kanimadam?
I have visited Kanimada Mantralayam and Tiruvannamalai Ashramam many times from childhood and till date. But due to the pandemic, for the last 2 years I was not able to travel. But even during the pandemic, Bhagavan has taught us that we need not visit his place whenever we wish, but wherever we are, just a minute of thought about him, just even a single chanting of mantra, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, will make him be with us throughout our life, whatever step we take and wherever we go. He will be with us forever. When we think of him, he will be with us and he will show us utmost grace and blessings wherever we are.
What do you feel at Tiruvannamalai and Kanimadam?
Yes, as I told, I have gone numerous times to Tiruvannamalai Ashramam and Kanimada Mantralayam. As soon as I stepped there, I could feel the grace and the blessings of Parampurul Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, and the places are so peaceful for us and making us to go there for every time we visit and giving us a thought that we must wholeheartedly surrender to Bhagavan in our life. That is the ultimate goal of our life, and chanting his name is the utmost divine in the life that we get. That is more than all the boons that various God give us. Just a chant of his name will do whatever we are doing. So that is what I would like to tell.
Can you get energy and vibration at Kanimadam and Tiruvannamalai?
Yes, definitely. When I go to Tiruvannamalai and Kanimada Mantralayam, all the pain and sufferings that we have will get vanished. And Bhagwan will give us a confidence that we will be able to move forward in our life with whatever obstacles or hurdles that we are facing, and all these are just for a temporary being. So he is there for us. His support and the hope that he gives is never equal to anything that we get in our life. Be it any materialistic thing, like we get house, we get a car, or we get jewels. All these are not at all needed for our life. But the only thing that we need is the grace and the blessings of Bhagwan, and that can be achieved when we have the full faith on him. Bhagwan will be with us wherever we are, and I get tears when I think about him. Bhagwan is really a great person. He is the ultimate supreme power in our life. All his leelas and the stories that I heard from my childhood has always been a motivation and giving a thought that he is with me and he is my ultimate supporter than anyone in our life.
Did you attend the Jayanti of Paramuru Yogi Ram Suratma at Kanimada?
Yes, I have attended several times Bhagwan's Jayanti at Kanimada Mantralayam, and the vibrations and the feelings that I get, those times I was just a kid watching the ceremonies that Swamiji perform, all the mantras and the pujas and the bhajans that people conduct. But when I was a child, I was able to sense the good positive feelings that we get when we surrender to Bhagwan and we think of it when we are in his place. So all these have helped us to get a positive vibration and a feeling that chanting Bhagwan's name is the only goal that we must have in life.
Can you say something about the miracles of Paramuru Yogi Ram Suratma, either at Kanimada or Tiruvannamalai?
So I am just a 20-year-old girl, and you might all think what miracles she would have faced in her life. But I'm telling you, I had got so many blessings and grace of Bhagwan all throughout my life, and my 3 generations of my family are the complete devotees of Bhagwan Yogiram Suratkumar. My grandparents, my parents and myself, and definitely this would pass on to my posterities and the future generations of my family. So you all would have known my mother Shobana. She has dedicated her first salary fully to Kanimada Mantralayam. My grandma and my grandpa has told this in many stages of my life, that follow and be like your mother. She was a courageous girl. She chanted Bhagwan and surrendered her whole life to Bhagwan always, and that surrender and that hope has made her become a successful nurse in her life, and she did tremendous good deeds as far as she was a nurse. And from that I got so much of inspiration that I should also be a good girl like my mother and do all good deeds that I can. So like my mother, I would also like to spend my whole salary to Bhagwan and surrender it at Bhagwan's holy feet. And coming to the miracles that had happened in my life, it will all be like ridiculous thing, but for me it is very much vital and it played a pivotal role in my life. Bhagwan's blessings were so crucial in my life. For example, in my grade 10, I was very much worrying about mathematics subject. I felt few difficulties in it, and I was thinking that whether I would be able to score above 90 in my grade 10 board examination, CBSE. I struggled a lot throughout grade 10. That whole year I was practicing a lot for mathematics subject to score above 90%. Yes, I was also supported by my tutor. My grandparents were giving me moral support. My teachers were also throughout the year supporting me that I would be able to score well. But in few examinations, that is during the practice test, I had fear that whether I will be able to score or not. But in the board examination, I never expected for such an easy paper. The paper was very much easy, and yes, before the examination, I had full prayers from to Bhagavan that the paper should be easy and the questions should not be very tough, and all that I was praying, and I was chanting Bhagavan's mantra before all the subject examination. But particularly it was math exam where I feared a lot, and the day before the examination, in my dreams, I was able to get only mathematics sums and all that, and having a fear that how will I be able to face the mathematics question paper. But the next day, in the examination hall, such an atmosphere, we all would have faced the 10th examination, right? So you could sense how it would be. Whole tensed atmosphere, waiting for the examination paper, how will the questions be, all those thoughts were running in my mind. But at the same time, I was also praying to Bhagwan. The paper was very easy, and finally I got a confidence that I would be able to score above 95 in my grade 10. And when the results came, I was overfilled with joy and happiness. I was very ecstatic and came to know that I scored 98. And that day I surrendered, and I wholeheartedly thanked Bhagavan for that fruitful result he gave me in the mathematics paper, because he knows how I struggled for that particular subject in my grade 10. And similarly, the same thing goes for my grade 12 as well. In grade 12, it wasn't like grade 10, the paper was not easy. I felt that the 1 6-mark question was really tough, but I don't know how to thank Bhagavan. Even in that tough paper, he made me score 90 plus. I got 93, and I wholeheartedly thank for all that he had done for me. And in the college part, after completing grade 12, we had so many perplexations and confusions about the admission to the college. But by Bhagwan's grace and blessings, he granted me Kumaraguru College of Technology, which is in Coimbatore. It is such a good college. I felt very joyous and very happy that Bhagwan has gifted me such a good thing in my life. Like these, so many things are there in my life. So many blessings and graces that Bhagwan has given me, and no words to express my gratitude and thankfulness to Bhagwan.
You have lot of experience in your life, Bhagwan's presence, the grace and blessings. By the way, more than lakhs of people watching our YouTube channel, Kanimadam Yogi Ram Suratna Mantralaya YouTube channel. You have delivered a good speech, experience, and in your life. So, Bhagwan's blessing is always with you. Sir, any want to say anything about the presence and Bhagwan Yogi Ram Suratna?
So yes, as I told, I had many other experiences and blessings of Bhagwan in my life. In my grade 10, apart from mathematics, the other subjects I was really good and I scored well. I was the topper of my grade 10 examination in my school. My school fees is a bit high, and being in an international school, the charges are also high. But by Bhagwan's blessings and his grace, since I scored the first mark, I got the concession of 75%, and my grandparents, my whole family are thankful to Bhagwan for such a thing that he provided us, the blessings that he gave us throughout.
Thank you very much. You have explained lot of miracles of Paramguru Yogi Ram Suratna in your younger days and during the college admission, school admission. What is the ambition of your mother? He's a staunch devotee of Paramuru Yogi Ram Sir. Great chanting. Once he came along with us for distributing the Bhagwan's Jayadivula celebration invitation. She cried a lot because one person gave 50 rupees. She shocked. I'm not able to tolerate. Don't go outside. I am ready to give all the expenditure to you. The first salary I am going to provide to Bani Madam. Such a great soul, your mother.
அம்மாவுடைய ஆசையை நான் நிறைவேற்றுவேன்.
Yes, as I told in the beginning itself, like my mother, I would also render wholehearted services to Bhagwan always, and I am waiting for that.
Thanks a lot for your kind interview with Bani Madam Yogi Ram Swarupacharyya. Bhagwan blessing is
See you.
always with you. Ever in your life, whatever things happen, your future life, your marital life and other things, Bhagavan is always with you and guiding you, protect you and save your family. Jai Yogi Ram Swarup Maharaj ki
Jai Ho.